If you're choosing between Leonardo AI and OpenArt AI, you're basically comparing two of the most powerful creative tools in the AI art world. Both can generate stunning visuals, but they're built for different kinds of creators. So let's break it down in a way that actually helps you decide. Let's start with Leonardo AI. Leonardo is designed for creators who want high-quality output with a lot of artistic control. The interface is clean, modern, and loaded with tools. You've got the Phoenix model for hyper-realistic images, the Elements feature for consistent styles, transparent PNG generation, and even the ability to animate images into videos. You can fine-tune your own models, create custom styles, and basically shape the AI to match your vision. The free plan gives you 150 daily tokens, which is enough for light or casual use. Paid plans start at just $12 a month and unlock more tokens, faster generation, private images, and additional features. Now let's talk about OpenArt AI. OpenArt shines in versatility and simplicity. You can generate images from text prompts, rough sketches, reference images, or blend multiple pictures together. It comes with a bunch of practical editing tools like inpainting, background removal, upscaling, and more. You can also train custom models and create consistent characters, making it great for storytelling, comics, branding, or series-based content. The free plan gives you 20 credits to test out premium tools, and paid plans start at $14 a month for more credits and advanced editing access. So, which one should you pick? If you want advanced tools, higher-end output, and deep creative control, Leonardo AI is the better choice. It's perfect for artists, designers, and professionals who need precision and consistency. But if you want a platform that's incredibly flexible, easy to use, and lets you experiment with tons of different styles and techniques, OpenArt AI is the way to go. It's ideal for creators who like to play, mix, and explore without getting overwhelmed. Both platforms bring something unique to the table. Leonardo AI delivers premium features and top-tier image quality, while OpenArt AI gives you versatility, approachability, and powerful editing tools. At the end of the day, think about your creative goals. Do you want control or do you want flexibility? The right answer depends on how you like to create.